How to use LTX Studio. I'm going to tell you how to use LTX Studio. This is one of the most hyped AI filmmaking platforms right now, designed to turn scripts into full, editable visual sequences. After signing up at ltx.studio, you start by entering your story idea or uploading a script. The AI breaks it into scenes and gives you visual suggestions for each one, complete with characters, settings, and shot types. From there, you can customize everything: dialogue, pacing, camera angles, even how each shot looks. You're not locked into presets. You can regenerate visuals, swap character designs, or rewrite scenes in real time. The whole interface is built like a timeline editor, so it feels intuitive even if you're not a pro editor. It's still in early access, so not all features are unlocked, but it already gives creators a way to visualize full storyboards with AI level speed.